Good afternoon, dear children. In the last class, we were rounding off numbers to the nearest tens. Okay, today we have to round off numbers to the nearest hundreds and to the nearest thousands. So before moving to that, we have to start with the digits which we are using. We are using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and up to 9. Okay. So here the weak digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The strong digits are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let us call this digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 as the weak digits and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as the strong digits. So which are the weak digits? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which are the strong digits? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the strong digits. Now let us move to the topic rounding off numbers to the nearest hundreds. Round off numbers to the nearest hundreds. So here in this one, see, we are writing numbers in this order. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. Okay, so here we have to round off to this hundreds place. Note that we have to round off numbers to the nearest hundreds place. So we have to check the digit in the tens place. We have to check the digit in the tens place. And while rounding off, you know that in hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, etc. In hundreds, this ones place and tens place are zeros. So always write zeros in these two places. Ones place and tens place. While rounding off, you have to write zeros in these two places. Okay. So what you have to do first? Write zeros in the ones place and in the tens place. Now we are checking the digit in the tens place. So if the digit in the tens place is a weak digit, which are the weak digits? Weak digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If the tens place digit is any one of these 5 digits, we have to write the same digits in these places. That is in hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 or lakhs, whatever be the places here, you have to write the same digits. Okay, so once again, while rounding off numbers to the nearest hundreds, always put zeros in the ones place and in the tens place. Okay, then we have to check the digit in the tens place. So if the tens place digit is a weak digit, you know that which are the weak digits? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if the tens place digit is any one of these weak digits, write the same digits here in all these places. Okay, now let us move to this one. See, here also we are going to round off numbers to the nearest hundreds. So hundreds place digit we have to round off. This place we have to round off here. And you know that in hundreds, ones place and tens place are zeros. So here in this also write zeros in the units place or ones place and in the tens place. Then we have to check the digit in the tens place. So if the tens place digit is a strong digit, it is a strong digit. Which are the strong digits here? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the strong digits. So the digits in the tens place is a strong digit. We have to add 1 to this hundreds place. Add 1 to this hundreds place, and according to that you have to write the thousands place and 10,000s place the same. Okay, so here hundreds you have to add 1 to this hundreds place, then the thousands place and 10,000s place, write the same digits. Okay, is it clear? So if the tens place digit is, remember, the first thing you have to do is put the ones place and tens place zeros. Then you have to check the tens place digit. If it is a weak digit, write the same digits here. If it is a strong digit, you have to add 1 to this hundreds place and write the same in these places. Okay, is it clear? Let us do some examples. Let us do some examples now. The first one is let us write the first one. Consider the number 217. Okay, this 217 is rounded off to. This is the symbol rounded off to. Rounded off to. Now see, in the first two places, that is in the ones place and in the hundreds place, we have to put zeros. And now let us check this one, this tens place digit. This tens place digit is a weak digit. Tens place digit is a weak digit. So we have to write the same digit in this place. So 217 is rounded off to 200. 217 is rounded off to 200. So the second one now, let us consider the second one, 925. So this is to be rounded off to in the first place, ones place, and in the tens place you have to put zeros. Now let us check this one, tens place digit. What about this? This is a weak digit. This 2 is a weak digit. So what you have to write? Write the same digit in the hundreds place. Now let us consider another one. It is 1235. Let us consider this one. This is rounded off to. In the ones place and in the tens place you have to put zeros. And now check the tens place digit. What is the tens place digit here? It is 3. Is it a weak digit or strong digit? It is a weak digit. So write the same in digits in the hundreds place and thousands place. Let us consider another one. Fourth question. 7,905. 7,905. So this is rounded off to, in the first place 0, in the tens place 0. Then let us check this one. The tens place digit here is 0 and it is a weak digit. So write the same digit in this two places. So it is rounded off to 7,900. Let us consider one more example. 7,045. Let us consider this one. This is rounded off to, see, in the ones place and in the tens place zeros. Then here the tens place digit is 4. It is again a weak digit. Then we have to write the same digits in the other two places. Okay. So 7,045 is rounded off to 7,000. See, once again I will explain this one. Here first we have to put zeros in the ones place and in the tens place. Then you have to check the digit in the tens place. If it is a weak digit, write the same digit here in hundreds place. So 217 is rounded off to 200. Okay. Now here in this one, in this second example, put zeros in ones place and tens place. Then check the digit in the tens place. It is a weak digit. So we have to write the same digit here in hundreds place. Now check the third one. In this one, put the zeros in ones place and tens place. Then check the digit in the tens place. It is a weak digit. So we have to write these two digits as it is here. Okay. So in the same have to be done in these two examples. Now let us consider. Let us move to this one. Write the first example here. Round off 271. This is to be rounded off to. The same rule here. Ones place and tens place become zeros. Now check this tens place digit here. Tens place digit, it is 7. What about this 7? Is it a weak digit? No, it is a strong digit here. So what we have to do? If it is a strong digit, you have to add 1 to this one. 2 plus 1 gives 3. Okay. So 271 is rounded off to 300. Right. So if this is a strong digit, add 1 to this number in the hundreds place. Okay. 2 plus 1 gives 3. So write 3 here. 271 is rounded off to 300. Now let us consider another one example. Another one example here. 952. So this is rounded off to. For in the ones place 0. In the tens place also 0. Check the digit in the tens place. So tens place digit is 5, which is a strong digit. So add 1 to this. Add 1 to this digit. So 9 plus 1 gives, 9 plus 1 is 10 here. So 952 is rounded off to 1000. Now the third one. It is 1575. 1575. This is rounded off to. See, in the ones place and in the tens place you have to put zeros. Then check the tens place digit. It is a strong digit. So you have to add 1 to this. Add 1 to this hundreds place digit. 5 plus 1 gives 6. Write 6 here. Then write the same digit in the thousands place. Here the digit in thousands place is 1. Write it as the same. You have to add 1 to this 5. Okay. Now the fourth one now. 9086. 9086. So this is rounded off to. In the ones place you have to put 0. In the tens place you have to put 0. Now check the tens place digit. It is a strong number. So we have to add 1 to this hundreds place. 0 plus 1 gives 1. And then write the same digit in thousands place. Okay. So 5. Next example. 9995. This is to be rounded off to. Ones place 0, tens place 0. Now check the tens place digit here. Then tens place digit gives a strong number. This is a strong number. 9 is a strong number. So what you have to do? You have to add 1 to this place. That is plus 1. Plus 1 here. When you add plus 1 here, you will get 0 in this, 10 in this place. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 is carry over here. 1 carry over. Then 1 plus 9 is 10 again. So here in this one 0. Here in this one 10 again. So it is rounded off to 10,000. Okay. 9,995 is rounded off to 10,000. We are adding this one with this one. This one becomes 0. Here it is equal to 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then 1 carry over here. This 1 is carry over. 1 plus 9 again 10. So this 9,995 is rounded off to 10,000. Okay. So once again, when the digit in you have to write the ones place digit and tens place digit always 0. Then check the tens place digit. If it is a weak digit, write the same. If it is a strong digit, add 1 to this hundreds place. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Rounding off to the nearest thousands. The same rule is applied here. In thousands, you know that which are the thousands, 1000, then 2000, then 3000, 4000, etc. etc. We can write 10,000. In all these, the first ones place, tens place and hundreds place are zeros. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place are zeros. So let us consider one example here. Let us round off to the nearest hundreds. So it is, nearest thousands. So let us write one example. 1 to 1236. This is to be rounded off to. Write the digits in ones, tens and hundreds as zeros. Now check the digit in hundreds place. Here you have to check the digit in hundreds place as we have to round off to the nearest thousands. Okay. While rounding off to the nearest hundreds, we are checking the tens place digit. Here we have to round off this to the nearest thousands. So you have to check the digit in hundreds place. In hundreds place. So here hundreds place digit is 2, which is a weak digit. So you have to write the same digit in thousands place. Okay. Now the second one, 3054. This is to be rounded off to the nearest thousands. So here the one for ones place, tens place and hundreds place to be 0. And now check the digit in the hundreds place. It is a weak digit. Hundreds place digit is 0 here. It is a weak digit. So write the same digit in thousands place. Now the third one. 19,124. This is rounded off to. This is rounded off to in ones place 0, tens place 0 and thousands place 0. Now check the digit in the hundreds place. It is a weak digit. 1 is a weak digit. So write the remaining digits as in the question itself. 9 is written right here. You write 1 in the 10,000s place. Okay. Now another one example. 8,374. So again here ones place digit 0, tens place digit 0 and thousands place digit 0. And the digit in the hundreds place is 3, which is a weak digit. So write the same in the thousands place. Now let us check the second type of this one. 1,536. This is rounded off to. In the ones place put 0, tens place put 0, in hundreds place also you have to write 0. Now check the digit in the hundreds place. It is 5 here. So 5 is a strong digit. We have to add 1 with this thousands place digit. So 1 plus 1 gives 2. So 1,536 is rounded off to 2,000. Let us consider another one example. 3,925. This is rounded off to. In ones place it is 0, tens place it is 0, in thousands place also it is 0. So here the hundreds place digit is 9. 9 is a strong digit. So 9 is a strong digit means you have to add 1 with this thousands place. 3 plus 1 gives 4. Okay. Now the third one, 5,805. So this is rounded off to ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0. In the hundreds place it is 8. So you have to add 1 to this. So you will get it as 6,000. 5,895 is rounded off to 6,000. Now let us consider another one example. 9,915. So here this is rounded off to ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0. Then check the digit in the hundreds place. It is a strong number. So add 1 to this. When you add 1 to this, it becomes 1 plus 9, 10. So it is 10,000. Right? Now another one. 19,845. So here in this also rounded off to ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0. So here check the hundreds place digit. It is a strong number. So add 1 to this. When you add 1 to this one, add 1 to this. 9 plus 1 gives 10 and 1 can carry over here. It becomes 1 plus 1, 2. So this is equal to 20 here and it is rounded off to 20,000. See, 19,845 is rounded off to 20,000. Is it clear? Okay. Now let us do all these three, that is rounding off to the nearest tens, rounding off to the nearest hundreds and rounding off to the nearest thousands in the same question. So let us consider 9,475. First let us round this to the nearest tens. First one, rounding this to the nearest thousands. So this is rounded off to rounding this to the nearest tens. First let us round off this to the nearest tens here. So this one, check the digit in the ones place. While rounding off to the nearest tens, you have to write the tens place 0. Then check the digit in the ones place. If it is a strong number, add 1 to this 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Write the remaining digits as it is. Once again, see, rounding off a number to the nearest tens, you have to put 0 in the ones place. Then check the digit in ones place. If it is a weak digit, write this as the same. If this is a strong digit, add 1 to this. Okay, 7 plus 1 gives 8 here and write the remaining digits as in the question. Now the same can be rounded off to the nearest hundreds. This is to the nearest tens. Nearest tens. And this is rounded off to, see now we have to round off to the nearest hundreds. For that we have to check the tens place digit. In this one, first place, ones place 0, tens place 0. And now the digit in the tens place is 7, which is a strong number. So add 1 to this, it becomes 9, 5. Right? This 4 plus 1 gives 5 and 9 as it is. So this is to the nearest hundreds. Rounded off to the nearest hundreds. To the nearest hundreds. And now the third one is the same, we are going to round off to the nearest thousands. So 9,475 is rounded off to nearest thousands means ones place, tens place and hundreds place to be 0. Now you have to check the hundreds place digit. It is a weak digit. So write the same number here. This 9475 is rounded off to 9000. Okay. So here in this one we are rounding off this number to the nearest tens. So for that one, check the ones place digit. That ones place digit is a strong digit here. So add 1 to this and write 0 in the ones place. Then 7 plus 1 gives 8. 4 is in the hundreds place, and in the thousands place write the same digits. So here in this one we are rounding off this to the nearest hundreds. So for that, put zeros in the ones place and tens place, and then write, check the digit in the tens place. It is a strong digit here. Add 1 to 4. 4 plus 1 gives 5. Then write the same digit in thousands place. So rounding off to the nearest thousands, we have to put 0 in the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Then check the digit in the hundreds place. If it is here, it is a weak digit. So we are writing the same 9 here. This is to the nearest thousands. To the nearest thousands. Okay. Practice the questions.